My dear students, we have some more set of problems here. Here in this set of problems, you can see one problem under this set in your video exam. Let us see some examples under this. If vector A is equal to, here vector A, it is a vector function. It is a scalar function. Phi is denoted for scalar function. Vector, here you can see the arrow mark. It is a vector function. See, vector A is equal to 2x square I minus 3yzj plus x z square k. See, this is a vector function given and a scalar is also given here. You have to compute vector A dot del phi and vector A cross del phi at the given point. See, it is very easy to find these things. See, you already know how to find del phi and you know what is a definition of del phi, what is the dot product of del, what is the dot product and what is the cross product. I already explained when I am telling about the definitions of gradient, curl and divergence, isn't it? Now, let us solve this problem. See, first we have to compute this vector A dot del phi. See, first for this we have to compute first del phi. What is del phi? Del phi is nothing but what is the definition of del phi? Del phi is dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Now, phi, what is phi? Phi is a scalar function given, that is 2z minus x cube into y. 2z minus x cube into y. See, for this 2z minus x cube into y, you have to differentiate this partially with respect to x. So when you differentiate this partially with respect to x, see, this one will be 0 because x is not there here, x is not present. See, all other terms will be treated as constant differentiation is 0, that's why it is 0. Minus x cube differentiation is 3x square, so minus 3x square into y I cap plus dou phi by dou y with respect to y. If you differentiate this partially with respect to y differentiation is 1. So it is minus x cube, this one will become 0 into j plus differentiate with respect to z. So in this first term z is there, so z differentiation is 1. So you will be remaining with 2. So 2 into, this one will be 0, that is 2 into k. Now we found del phi. Del phi is this. Del phi at the given point 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. You already know how to apply these points. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. When you substitute these values with x, y, z, so you will obtain 3i minus j plus 2k. So this is del phi at the given point. See, let us apply the given point also for this vector given. So for this vector given vector is vector A is equal to 2x square I minus 3yz into j plus x z square into k. See, for this given vector, let us apply the points x, y, z. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. When you substitute these values x, y, z with 1, minus 1 and 1, so you will obtain 2i plus 3j plus k. Now, after finding these two, what we have to do? You have to take the dot product of vector A and del phi. So what is that? Consider vector A dot del phi. Consider vector A dot del phi. Vector A is found here. Del phi is found here. Take the dot product of this. And I into I will be 1. J into J will be 1. K into K will be 1. 2 3s are 6 minus 3 1s are minus 3. 3 1s are 3, that is minus 3. And 1 2s are 2. So that will give you 5. So vector A dot del phi is equal to 5. Now what you have to find? You have to find vector A cross del phi. You already found del phi, right? You already found del phi at the given point. Now for this you have to take the cross product. So vector A also you have already found the vector A at the given point. So you have to take the cross product of these two now. You have to take the cross product of these two. So when you take the cross product, what is the definition of cross product? Cross product of these two is the determinant of. The cross product is defined with the determinant of. The first row is fixed. Cross product of vector A and del phi, that is A cross del phi. Vector A cross del phi is equal to the determinant of ijk, and the second row is the element of this vector A. Third row is the element of this del phi. See, ijk is common. Elements of vector A is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. And del phi, what is the elements of del phi? Del phi at the given point 3, minus 1, 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. So when you find the determinant of this, you will get 7i minus j minus 11k. Now we'll see the next problem. If vector f is equal to del into some function. If vector f is equal to del into some function. Here this function is a scalar. Have you observed this? See, this function is a scalar. X, y cube, z square is a scalar function, isn't it? Is a scalar function and it is defined with phi. So del phi is given. Vector f is equal to del phi is given. Find the divergence of vector f and curl of vector f at the given point 1, minus 1, 1 again. If vector f is equal to del of x, y cube, z square, find divergence of vector f and curl of vector f. This two you have to find. This is the first question, this is the second question. These two you have to find. Here, see, in the given problem, del of some function is given. See, consider this x, y cube, z square as some function phi. Okay, see, we are considering this phi is equal to x, y cube, z square. Now consider this del phi. See what it is asking. Vector f is what? Vector f is equal to vector f is equal to what? Del phi, right? Del into phi. See, what is this del of phi? Phi is x y cube z square, right? See, del is what? Del is nothing but dou by dou x I cap plus a dou by dou y j cap plus a dou by dou z k cap, isn't it? With respect to this function. Now, for the first term, if you differentiate partially this with respect to x, what it will be? Differentiation of x is 1, so it is y cube z square into I cap. Plus with respect to y, if you do it, then it will be 3x y square into z square into j cap. Plus with respect to z, if you do this, then it is 2x y cube into z into k cap. This is what you got. Now this vector at the given point, which is a given point, the given point is 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, isn't it? 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. At this point, let us define this function. What will happen for this vector function? See, cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, so it is 1 into I, plus here it is 1 into minus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, so it is plus 3j, here plus 2 into 1 into 1 cube, minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, into 1 is minus 1. So it is minus 1 into k. So it is 1i plus 3j minus 2k. This is the vector at the given point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Now we have to find this divergence of vector f. See, what is the divergence of vector f? Divergence of vector f is equal to del dot vector f. See, del is what? Del is nothing but dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k dot this dot vector f. Which vector f you will write? This vector you will write or this vector you will write? See, both are the vector f only. We obtained both are the vectors, right? See, for among these two, which one you will take here? If you take this vector f here, you will get 0 because here all the terms are constants, right? So when you differentiate this partially with respect to x, you will get 0. When differentiate partially with respect to y, it will be 0. When you differentiate partially with respect to z, it will be 0. Constant terms will become 0. So it is meaningless. That's why take this vector f. So take this vector f. That's why I have taken this vector here. See, in the first case I have written this, but if you multiply this, if you take the dot product of these two, you will get 0. It is meaningless. That's why I have taken this vector function, which is obtained before substitution of this point. Okay. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. What it will be with respect to x means this one will be 0. That's all, because I into I will be 1. J into I into j will be 0, I into k will be 0. So I have to multiply only I with I only, so that it will become 1. The differentiation of this first term with respect to x is not there, so it is 0. J into j is 1, so multiply only this with this, that's all. So with respect to y square differentiation is 2y, so 2 3 is 6, x y z square into j is 1, don't need to write j again. Again differentiate this with respect to z, differentiate this with respect to z, because k into k is 1. K into other terms are 0. K into other terms are 0. See, k into other terms 0. K into other terms 0. These two will become 0. K into k will become 1. So that's why differentiate this with respect to z. So it is z differentiation is 1. 2xy cube. 2xy cube. Now, see, we have found the divergence of vector f. Now you just substitute the given point. The given point is 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So at x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. If you substitute x by z by 1 minus 1 and 1, you will obtain minus 8. This is the divergence of vector f. Now we have to find the curl of vector f, isn't it? Curl of vector f. What is curl of vector f? Curl of vector f is given by the cross product, right? Curl f is cross product. Divergence f is dot product. See, curl of vector f is del cross vector f, that is equal to the determinant of I, j, k. The first row is common. The first row is common. I, j, k is common in all the times. Okay. Now I, j, k, and the second row will be the component of this del. Third row will be the components of this vector f. Del components are dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is del? Del is nothing but this only, right? See, del. This is del. See, for this del, I component is dou by dou x, j component is dou by dou y, k component is dou by dou z. That we have written here. Second row. Third row is the component of this vector f. What is component of vector f? Which is already found at the point. Minus I plus 3j minus 2k. So minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. Now, if you simplify this determinant, you will obtain 0. So del cross vector f is 0. Here it is I, j, k are present. So it is a 0 vector. It is a 0 vector. Now we'll see the next problem. If vector f is equal to the given vector, see this vector is given. Find the grad of divergent of vector f at the given point. See, this kind of problem you have to be very careful. See, vector f is given. For this vector f, you have to find grad of divergence of vector f. See, vector f is given. First, you have to find the divergence of vector f. Then you have to apply grad. I repeat once again, you have to find divergence of vector f first. In the first case, you have to find first step. You have to find divergence of vector f. Then you have to apply grad for that resultant. Okay, and you have to define the grad of this function at the given point. Now, for the first step, what you have to do? This is step 1. This is a step 1. Step 1 is what? Divergence of vector f you have to find. See, vector f is given, right? See, what is divergence of vector f? Divergence of vector f is dot product del dot vector f. Del dot vector f. Now, del is what? Del is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. Dot vector f is given, that I have written as it is. Now, what is the dot product of these two? See, I into I will be 1, I into j, I into k will be 0, j into j only 1, k into k only 1. So I am multiplying first term with the first term, second term with the second term, third term with the third term directly. If I differentiate the first term with respect to x square differentiation is 2x. Directly, x square differentiation is 2x. X square differentiation is 2x. 2 3s are 6 xy. Okay, minus z differentiation is 0 because I am differentiating partially with respect to x. Again, j into j will become 1. So I am multiplying only the middle terms now. Okay, so these two terms must be multiplied. What is the meaning of this? So differentiate partially with respect to y of this term, that's all. So it is y is not there here, so 0. Then y power 4. What is the differentiation of y power 4? That is 4y cube. 4y cube plus again multiplication of this third term with the third term. That means differentiation of this with respect to z only. So differentiation of z square is 2z. So 2 2 is a 4. 4. X cube as it is, z as it is, since it is negative, negative. Now I have divergence of vector f, that is 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. This is your divergence of vector f. Now I have to apply grad for this. I have to apply gradient for this divergence. Now we have to find grad divergence of vector f. Consider this grad divergence of vector f. Consider this as phi. Consider this as phi. Grad phi it has become. Anyway, it is a scalar function only, right? It is a scalar. It is a scalar. It is a scalar because ijk terms are not there. Ijk is not there. It is a scalar. So it is, since it is scalar, I can denote it as phi, right? So grad phi. I have denote this as phi. Now what is del? See, grad phi is nothing but del phi, right? Grad phi I can write as del phi. Now del. What is the meaning of del? Del is nothing but dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. Here into phi. Phi is taken here. See, I have not written dot and all. Here I have not written dot and all. Here no, dot is not there. Dot is not there. I just have taken del and phi I have written, that's all. Now let me apply the phi. Let me apply this phi here. Dou by dou x of this function. Dou by dou y of this function. Dou by dou z of this function is this. Now if I partially differentiate this with respect to x differentiation is 1. 6y minus, here x is not there, 0. X cube differentiation is 3x square. 3 4s are 12 x square z I cap. Again multiply this with the second term. What it will be with respect to y, you have to partially differentiate. So if I differentiate partially with respect to y differentiation is 1. 6x plus y cube differentiation is 3y square. 3 4s are 12 y square. Here y is not there, so it is 0 into j cap plus. Again multiply this with this. Multiply this with the third term. So differentiate partially with respect to z it means. So if you differentiate partially with respect to z, this and this terms will become 0 because it has no z terms. It is having z terms, so z differentiation is 1 minus 4x cube into k. Now we have this we obtained for the gradient divergence vector f. Now for the gradient divergence vector f, we have to define this gradient vector divergence f at 2, minus 1, 0. So at the point 2, minus 1, 0, put x plus as 2, y plus as minus 1, z plus as 0. So when you substitute these values with x by z, so you will obtain minus 6i plus 24j minus 32k. You will obtain this. Okay, that's all. Thank you.